Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and chances are you've already seen our club video that included our Sandcastle stamps and dies. But guess what, my friends? There are optional add-ons, and you know what? When I say optional, I kind of mean you have to have them because they're awesome. And are you ready for this? This one is called More Sand to Stamp, and here we have cute little sand mounds, and we have a little shovel in a pile of sand. We have a different bucket, a different shovel, a cute little sand dollar, and a little starfish and a little sailboat. And this says really cute, beach life is the best life. I know, isn't that awesome? Now, here are the dies that match, and you know how we love to do the inside dies as well, so that's so fantastic. So that's an option as well. Then I had so many words, I mean sayings and stuff, I had to continue. So here we go. Here's another one. This one is called Sayings for Sandcastles, and it says, "Oh beach, please, I dig you," a different version. "Sandy toes and a sun-kissed nose. I'm so sorry I was a little salty. You're never too old to make sandcastles. At the beach, every day is sun day. What happens at the beach stays at the beach, and life's a beach." I know, isn't that fun? Now, one more thing regarding our beach theme. Dun, 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 dun. A 5x7 shaped fold-it card. Isn't that adorable? I know. I'm telling you, I had so much fun with this one. And you're gonna see how awesome it is in just a second. And I'm gonna show you how easy fold-its are to make. Now, let me show you some samples, and I have some other things to share with you as well. So here we have some fun samples. Here's those cute little piles of sand with the little shovel in there. Cute little sandcastle. "Oh beach, please, I dig you." Here's a cute one with the sand mounds here, and so cute with the little shovel back here, the little boat. Here's a cute one using the inside die so there's no shadow on your cutouts. Here's a cute one. Look how fun that is. Oh, I love showing this one because this one is absolutely gorgeously amazing. Look at how fun that is, all decorated and ready to go. Now, are you ready for those shaped folded cards? I love these. Now, these are 5x7. So you're gonna always have the fold at the top unless you have the longer cardstock. Look how cute that one is, all decorated. Here's another cute one. Now, if you don't like the color, this is the perfect one for you because most of it's ginger snap color. Isn't that fantastic? Just use the easy peasy cardstock. Look how cute that one is. Oh, now you could even do a yellow one if you want to. So fun. Now look at how gorgeous this one is. This one is so cute. That's the Steffi doll playing in the sand. And look at how fun that is. It's even a little princess, Sandcastle princess. Isn't that adorable? I love it. Now, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make these, but I wanna show you a couple more things really quick. We finally have our tweezers. They are finally here. Now, these Stamps of Life tweezers are awesome because number one, they come in a cute little case. Number two, they're pink. Number three, they have our little logo TSOL on them. And one of the things that I insisted upon is they came with these little protective covers on the points. So now you can keep them safe. And I like that there's 3 in here because I have some of them. You've seen me use them everywhere. I use them to poke dies out of the dies when they're stuck. You open them up and you can use it as a pokey tool. I also use them over there when I do my wood pieces for my home decor. I use these all the time. Now, if you're fancy, you can keep it in the cute little container, but chances are you're gonna have them everywhere. I always have them some in my desk, some over there, some over here. So they're fantastic. And club members, of course you get the club discount. Now, another item I'm sharing with you today is the Nancy tote. I did show you a sneak peek on this. This is by Totally Tiffany. I called it a buddy bag. Technically, it's a tote, but it's called Nancy. It has this awesome pocket in the front. Perfect for, because I use this mainly for my coloring items. So this is perfect for my finesse pad. Look at that. Put that in there. And then I have all my coloring items in here. So when I want to go color downstairs or stamp downstairs and color and just relax, I can grab this and I grab my Sara bag with my markers. I have 2 of these with my markers and I'm ready to go. I have everything I need. I have my ink pad. I have my markers. I have my secret weapon. I have my cardstock pad. See, oh, there's my pieces to cut and color already. And then I have my rotating design board in here. I have it all in here. I just grab these 3 totes and I know I have everything I need. So that's the Nancy tote. You're gonna love her. She's awesome. She even has a zipper if you wanted to close her. You could even open it like this and move that clip and you could zip her close so nothing falls out. She has a pocket on the inside as well as the outside pocket. So just saying, you're gonna love it. I love her too. So that has all of that stuff in it. Now, let me share with you really quick how easy it is to make fold-its because they're so simple. Now, let me show you a sneak. Look at this. On the back, you have this funny little fold for the white cardstock. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my card stock right there and fold it in half. Easy peasy, right? Then I'm gonna take the largest die in the set and I'm gonna show you on the overhead camera. On the back of the die, it says place fold here. Now, it might be hard to see on camera, but I can see it perfectly. So I know I'm gonna place that right through there. So there, I'm exaggerating it so you can see. Now I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, and you know what I'm gonna do? Because I'm gonna move it over to my machine, I'm gonna tape it in place so I know it doesn't move. So I'm just gonna do that right there. I'm gonna tape that down so I know it's not gonna move, and then I'm gonna run it through my die cut machine. See, my fold is right there. So I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna grab a cutting pad, and I'm gonna run this through. Easy peasy. This will go through a standard 6-inch machine, so you don't have to have a bigger machine, which is fantastic. Now keep in mind, this is 5 by 7 in size, and I'm a little crooked. There we go. 5 by 7 in size. I'm gonna lift this all up, take this all apart, and now I have a folded card. Look at this, a folded card. Dun, 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 dun. Now, because it has that funny little point right there, what am I gonna do? I'm going to take this die and again run it through my die cut machine, but normal. Just run it through to get a perfect piece, and then I'm gonna glue it on top of this so I won't have that funny little point here. Then I am going to die cut this piece, and I'm gonna have all these little pieces that I can paper piece it together. And in the end, I'm gonna lay that on top, and look at how fantastic it is. That's how easy it is. Isn't that crazy? All of our fold-its are that easy. It's amazing. I know, it's totally amazing. Club members, of course, you're getting a club discount on all of these products. If you are not in the club, oh my goodness, you are really missing out. I know I say that all the time, but you're really missing out because now we're having a special for 2021. If you join the Die Hard Club for the next 6 months, July, August, September, October, November, December, in 2021, you're gonna get 2 free die sets every single month just because you're a Die Hard Club member. I know, it's like we're paying you to be club members. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com, and you know what? I'm gonna see you there. Bye-bye.